Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about Christmas decoration, Christmas tree projects and everything Christmas. So as all of us know, Christmas is just around the corner and it's the perfect time to start making Christmas decorations and Christmas tree ornaments. I'll be making a separate video for Christmas gifting, but this video is exclusively for Christmas decoration. So the very first thing that comes to our mind when it comes to Christmas tree ornaments is the good old snowflake. So this snowflake, I love making it in white, but you can suit yourself. You can make it in any light pastel colors, you can make it in nudes. So I also randomly like to hang these snowflakes at random places at my home because that is the easiest project and it actually shouts Christmas. So I just hang them at random places. I use them as decoration almost everywhere during Christmas, and that is what I love about the snowflake. That is my most favorite Christmas tree ornament or Christmas decoration project. So the second Christmas project that we'll be talking about is a smaller version of this snowflake. So the first project was a standard size of snowflake. The second one is a tiny version of this snowflake. So many times we decorate our homes with little Christmas trees, the decorative ones, and to decorate those with ornaments, we can use these smaller version of snowflakes. This is beginner friendly as well, so you might just go check out and try it for yourself. The third project that we're going to talk about is a wreath. Now this Christmas tree wreath is it is absolutely adorable, and it goes on the tree very well because the wreath is in red color, red and white. It has got little cherries, it has got the leaves, so it goes very well with the Christmas tree. It is a very nice contrast to the Christmas tree, and it's a tiny version of wreath. Obviously, as it is an ornament, it is a tiny version of wreath that I have made. You can go check out the video for yourself. It is beginner friendly, it is a beginner to intermediate level. Anyone who has started off with crochet can make it as well, and if they follow the instructions clearly, they can make it for themselves as well. You need a small ring to make the wreath, but that's it. Otherwise, the supplies that you need for this wreath are the normal crochet supplies. Just a ring is one additional thing that you need for it, but it makes as a very cute Christmas tree decoration. So that is the third project. The fourth project, Christmas tree ornament, that we are going to talk about is an angel. So this is a tiny version of angel. I've made it in white, but you can make it in different colors as well. So it's a angel form. It is an outline of an angel, and it looks very pretty on the Christmas tree. So, and of course beginner friendly. You can go check out the tutorial and make this. The fourth Christmas tree ornament that we are going to talk about is a stocking. Now stocking is an essential Christmas tree ornament, and I've made a tiny version of it with red and white, and it is the cutest little stocking that you'll find on the internet. That's the cutest little tutorial that you'll find, so please go check it out. You can hang it on the tree as an ornament. The next project that I'm going to talk about is a gingerbread man. Now this is an absolutely adorable project. It exactly looks like a gingerbread man. So even the size is the perfect size, and it makes for a perfect Christmas tree topper because you don't get a lot of gingerbread man toppers. Sorry, not the toppers, the ornaments. You don't get a lot of them in the market. So it looks absolutely adorable. Also a very unique Christmas tree ornament that you can make. It is beginner to intermediate level. more on the beginner side, so anyone can make it. Quick to make, you can make one in 15 minutes. So please go check it out. The next Christmas tree project, or the Christmas tree ornament that I'm going to talk about, is a tiny Christmas tree itself. Now, what I feel is more than a Christmas tree ornament, you can use it elsewhere in your home, because it is going to be green and it is going to be a tiny little Christmas tree. So rather than making it as an ornament, you can just hang it elsewhere at your home as a Christmas tree decoration. So that is one, and this is a last minute project. Okay, so you can just make them in 2 or 3 minutes. Very easy, very beginner friendly. All you need is yarn and some beads, some sort of beads. That is all you need for making this. The next Christmas project that I'm going to talk about is not actually a Christmas tree ornament, but it is a Santa coaster. But you can always make a loop on the Santa Claus hat and make it as a Christmas tree ornament. But I have actually put on a video for it as a Christmas coaster. So that is a Santa coaster. You can make a set of 6 and you can also gift them, but it is an adorable decoration item as well. The next Christmas tree decoration that I'm going to talk about is a mini version of a dream catcher. It looks absolutely adorable. You can also use it as a Christmas tree ornament, but I prefer using it as the decoration and not the Christmas tree ornament. It is absolutely cute, a very tiny version of a dream catcher. The next Christmas tree project that we're going to talk about is a wind spinner. Now this wind spinner was a hit. It was absolutely everywhere on the internet 3 years ago. Everyone was making it, and I have made a tiny version of it. It actually spins when the wind hits on it. So it's a very tiny spinner that makes for a very cute decoration. So that's it, guys. I mean, thank you for watching this video till the end. And if you have got any inspiration out of this video for making any Christmas decoration or any Christmas project, I am glad that I could help you. Please keep watching my videos and show your love. Thank you so much and happy crocheting. Bye.